Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're in a Deepal SO7 and this car comes with wireless CarPlay, and we're going to enable videos, YouTube, Netflix, Disney, and also any app, Facebook, YouTube, any off-road maps that requires an installation on your car screen. We can do it now with the Smartworld adapter. This adapter enables to use any app in your car screen and use your car screen as an input. So it's not going to damage any of your vehicle and it's going to work extremely well. So what you need to do is just give it power because connect via wireless CarPlay. So what you do is just simply connect in the USB port of your car. Oh, here we go, it's connected. And the device is going to get power. And what you do simply, you just go into the main screen and the device is going to connect via Bluetooth and wireless CarPlay. So you're going to see Apple CarPlay, the device has been detected, and just simply is going to start connecting with the device. And in seconds, you're going to see the Smartworld screen coming up. Here we go. And from here, the device allows you to use pre-installed app on this device, like YouTube, for example. We just simply go into YouTube and start playing YouTube. Sorry, the first thing you need to do once you have the device connected is going to Bluetooth Wi-Fi and make sure that your device is connected with the hotspot on your mobile phone. Now my hotspot is connected, and then what we do is we just go home and then go into YouTube and start watching any video on YouTube. So it's gonna bring up all your YouTube apps, all YouTube videos available, and just watch any of them.
If Japan meets Brazil, it wouldn't be the first time.
Of course, you can put it on large screen.
When a Japanese athlete took judo to Brazil, a group of brothers made it their own.
So let's try, this is YouTube, and you can put this little screen anywhere, close it, sorry, and then we're gonna watch Netflix now, Netflix. And as you can see, there's many apps pre-installed, but you can install any app from Google Play Store. So Netflix now coming up. And it's like watching Netflix in the comfort of your car with air conditioning and simple as touch and play. Like, I'm sorry, shouldn't press this one. So here we go. This amazing App2Car WS now compatible with Deepal via wireless CarPlay connection, easy to use, plug and play, and connected as an iPhone mobile phone. And you have all these apps available, and of course, as I mentioned before, Play Store, so you can install any apps. And if you want to find more solutions for Deepal, just go to smartworldcompany.com, smartworldcompany.com.au.